Add tens with tens. Add ones with ones. Regroup when needed.
Welcome to the tens and ones yard. I'm Kit. Here on the mat, we use these rods and pebbles to add numbers together. To keep everything organized, we follow a simple rule. Tens always stay with tens in their column, and ones stay with ones in theirs. And when we always add the ones first. But here is the most important part. Whenever 10 loose ones gather together, we group them up and trade them for one 10 rod. Then we slide that new rod over to the tens column. Trading 10 ones for a 10 rod keeps our numbers neat. It makes sure our ones column never overflows, so we always know exactly how much we have. Let's put this into practice by finding 23 plus 5. First, we set out 23. That is 2 10 rods and 3 ones. Now we add the ones. We bring 5 more pebbles into the ones column. 3 plus 5 gives us 8 ones. Since 8 is less than 10, we do not have enough to make a trade. We keep our 2 tens exactly where they are. 2 tens and 8 ones means 23 plus 5 equals 28. Let's try finding 40 plus 30. Notice how the ones column on the mat is completely empty. We just start with 4 10 rods in the tens column. To add 30, we bring 3 more 10 rods into the tens column. 4 tens plus 3 tens gives us 7 tens. 7 10 rods is 70, so 40 plus 30 equals 70. By keeping each piece in its proper column, you always know exactly which parts to combine. The columns do the sorting for you, keeping the math perfectly organized. Now we need to find 27 plus 6. We start with 2 tens and 7 ones on the board. We always add the ones first, so we bring in 6 more pebbles. 7 ones plus 6 ones gives us 13 ones. Take a close look at the ones column. We have more than 10 pebbles now. Do you remember the rule of the yard? We scoop 10 of those pebbles together and trade them for one new 10 rod. Then we slide that new rod straight into the tens column. We are left with exactly 3 ones. Now we just read the mat. We have 3 tens and 3 ones. 27 plus 6 equals 33. 10 loose ones became one 10. That is how we compose a 10. It gives us a clear, physical way to carry extra value from the ones column into the tens column, so our addition is always accurate. Look at the results we found on the mat today. We added ones, we added tens, and we composed a new 10. The steps stay the same every time. Add the ones, trade 10 for a 10, then add the tens. Keep each piece in its column, and the answer falls right out. So what happens if we want to find 38 plus 5? Will you need to trade 10 ones for a 10? Take a moment and think about how you can know before you even start adding. Add the ones, trade up, then the tens. I'll see you back at the yard. Mastering this simple rule of trading 10 ones for a 10 gives you the foundation for all the column addition you will do in the future.
40 plus 20. Uns join the total. Place value keeps order.